What we have done here is we have converted this tube type wheel setup into a tubeless. Same wheel set but in aluminium. This is XL Takasaku rims. So new rims, refurbished spokes, tubeless applicated with tube type tires, which is being converted in tubeless.
So, on the 15th of September, the universe decided it was the perfect day to humble me. It was raining cats and dogs and possibly a few elephants. The roads slippery, my tires flatter than my bank balance after a long ride. And boom, Toothless and I had a major first romantic moment with the road. Let's just say gravity won that day. Frame sliders gone. Mirror arms bent like my life choices. Exhaust took one for the team. But hey, I'm still in one piece. No bones broken, just the ego slightly dented. After a week of sore muscles, strong painkillers, and deep life reflection, I was back to the grind. Toothless went for her probably 6th or 8th service. I've lost count, but pretty sure the service guys haven't. And now we continue the story because every crash has a comeback. Let's roll.
Okay, so we are leaving from our Royal Enfield service center from Goregaon. We're gonna head to HDT Customs, which is in Versova, and that is where we're gonna convert our tube tires into tubeless tires and get rid of this ever or never ending punctures that have been happening since I bought this bike. Ideally it should have come stock fitted from Royal Enfield, but then never mind. I hate this road, like it's always so cramped up, jammed, so many rickshaws around. Oh, that's a beautiful sunset happening. By the way, that's Versova Beach. Damn. Here I got confused whether to take right or to go straight. But then I just went with my gut feeling, and then I think I've been here once before this. This is probably my second time traveling from Versova Jetty. Um, wow, again, that's a beautiful sky. Where to, left or right? Okay, yeah, that's our queue. Okay, please don't fall. I don't want to embarrass myself. Arey, move. Auntie just gave me a look. Okay then. Okay, I'm gonna let everyone go first so that if I fall, there's nobody around to see me fall in an embarrassing manner. That was like a painting. So I lost my receipt and I had to pay again. I think it was just 20-30 bucks. Okay, let's put the maps and head to the garage where Hemant is waiting for us. Okay, I think it should be somewhere around here on the left. Yup, that's it. That's the Jeep I recognize from the YouTube video. Here we are. Let's get started.
हाँ मम्मी
हाँ खाना खाएगा ना
हाँ खाऊंगा
ठीक
So this is Hemant. He runs HDT Customs in Mud Island, and we are here to replace our tires and make it tubeless on Himalayan 411. And over to you, Hemant. आप बताओ अभी कैसे करने वाले हैं हम इसको.
So as you have seen a lot of reels and a lot of videos, even there are some videos on my YouTube channel also. You go to HD Customs, you can see about an hour video which is based on tubeless conversion. और उसमें मैंने अच्छे से डिटेलिंग में एक्सप्लेन किया है कि क्या करता हूँ मैं और किस पे किया जाता है. तो प्रीवियस सब वीडियोस में आपने देखा होगा एल्यूमिनियम रिम्स के ऊपर हम लोग कन्वर्जन किए, तो मैं सब में प्रेफर करेंगे एल्यूमिनियम डालने को. लेकिन अब स्टॉक व्हील्स पे भी कन्वर्जन किट कर रहा हूँ मैं. उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है मैंने लास्ट कुछ इंस्टा पे रील्स आए थे उस पर. सो ये एक सेट ऑफ व्हील है जो पुणे से आया था, जो होके रेडी है. इसको ट्यूबलेस किया है
राइस
और राइस मोटो के नए टायर्स डाले हमने. अब बहुत लोग बोलते हैं अलग टायर्स, राइस मोटो के टायर्स ज़्यादा कंपेटेबल है ट्यूबलेस में, कोई कंप्लेंट्स नहीं है. राइस मोटो मैक्सेस, तो आई अवॉइड पुटिंग C8 में थोड़ा इशू आता है एयरली वेरली का. एंड योर C8 का कौन, ये तो फ्लैट हो खत्म है.
हाँ ये तो फ्लैट हो गया काफ़ी.
सो विल पुट न्यू टायर्स. सो जिनको भी ट्यूबलेस करना है, मैं टायर कंडीशन देख के मैं बोल पाऊँगा कि वो कन्वर्जन होगा नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस व्हीकल ये नया गाड़ी है, इनके टायर सूखे नहीं है, टायर हार्ड नहीं होते. सो न्यू व्हीकल के टायर या न्यू ब्रांड टायर्स विद इन ए ईयर हम लोग करते हैं कन्वर्जन, तो कोई इशू नहीं आता है. थोड़े पुराने टायर ज़्यादा चले हुए टायर होंगे उनमें क्रैक्स आते हैं,
अच्छा.
जो रीजन से एयर लीक काफ़ी इशू होता है और टायर हार्ड होता है वो.
तो वो केस में आप प्रेफर करोगे कि नया टायर्स डालें
मैं
बिकॉज
check
क्रैक आ
करके
गया.
बोल दूंगा.
चेक करके. हाँ ओके.
सो विल डू इट.
Now we're gonna install our Art of Motorcycle handlebar, and I've been wanting this handlebar since a while now. It's gonna give me a bit of wider stance and a little bit of height as well, rather than going for handlebar rises.
ये स्लाइडर लाया क्या आपने?
Yes.
रोगी सबने ना CNC मशीन्स इनबिल्ट रख ली इन हाउस, उनको फॉरवर्ड रहता है चीज़ें उनके कॉस्टिंग के हिसाब से।
Bigfoot.
हाँ बिगफुट बेंगलोर का ब्रांड है वो। सब गाड़ियों के लिए, हाई एंड से लेके छोटी गाड़ी तक सबके लिए बनाया है।
Here is our Royal Enfield Himalayan 411. We've converted the tires and wheels from tube tire to tubeless tire. Here's the front. We've also added side stand extender and changed our handle from Art of Motorcycles, as you can see here. We've gotten this done from HDT Customs, which is Handlebar.
Hi.
Thank you. He's done an amazing job. Here's the complete look of the bike. Tires are from Reise. It's TourR, especially for adventure.
It's a dual sport tire, basically 70-30, and if you go for a pure off-road tire, which is 50-50, it doesn't work better on tarmac or like street riding.
Right.
So as a touring vehicle, you need a 70-30 tires, and Reise Moto are giving a very good quality tire, good rubber which gives better traction, and in a good budget rate.
Yeah.
So what we have done here is we have converted this tube type wheel setup into a tubeless. अब बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि ट्यूब टाइप टायर है, ट्यूबलेस में कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा? सो ट्यूब टाइप टायर है बट ट्यूबलेस कन्वर्टेड हो चुका है, एज यू कैन सी दिस नोजल हियर. So this specific nozzle, brass nozzle, what I use to convert it, I'll show you a sample here. As you can see, I have a same wheel set but in aluminium. This is XL Takasako rims. But the same thing is happening in your bike also.
This is the application which
Yeah,
he
this is
has
the
done
application.
on the wheels.
So I need to make hole here. After get hard, then I make a hole there. So this is how it's been done in that rims also, but in a little different way, because here I'm not applicating the same thing here on side because it's fine, precise rim. Aluminum rims are fine and precise, so it doesn't give any play or any layout for air. But in this metal rims, I'll show you that also. See, there are a lot of vent holes and there are a lot of obligations from where air can get leaked out. So मुझको complete application करना होता है. Center including sides.
So different applications on different
On
types
different
of
type
wheels.
rims, yeah. It all depends on the wheel, how it's been made, how it's built.
Right.
So your rims are new because your rims were very corroded, very much corroded. So new rims, refurbished spokes, tubeless applicated with tube type tires, which is being converted into tubeless.
So the entire or the pair of wheels costed me about 4K, and these pair of tires from Reise Moto or Reise Tires costed me about 5.8 or 5.9 from the website. So yeah, that's it. Bike looks great right now. Thank you.
New, new pair of shoes.
Yeah, new pair of shoes, new kicks for the bike. Thank you. That's all for now. Keep checking my YouTube channel for more such detailed videos of Himalayan modifications and what you can do to maintain your bike, those kind of videos. Take care, bye bye.
no better feeling than getting your bike serviced, your wheels changed, your tires changed, your handles replaced. I mean, it's I don't even have words to describe what the feeling is. Pure joy. Casually spotting my dream bike, 1250 GSA, just massive. Looks like a beast. That camshaft is just like there's no bike like it. One day, I'm gonna get this for myself. One day. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care.